Welcome in once again to Fresh Off the Crypto. Guys, destroy that subscribe and like button as it really does help out the channel. Guys, we have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys. As we can see here, 83 right now, currently at extreme greed. The altcoin market is still heating up for the last couple of weeks, a month or two. Basically, since the start of the year, things have been ramping up, and we can see that now Ethereum Fear and Greed Index right now, again, extreme greed. A lot of people are bullish, getting greedy right now with the price appreciation as we can see in the markets, and it makes sense. Look, let's dig in. Let's start with the top 5 here, starting with Bitcoin. Current price of $67,860. Not doing too much. I mean, in the in the last hour or 24 hours, but in the past 7 days. Weekly, we can see up 9%, guys. Wow. Ethereum at number 2 here at $3,900, just a hair below $4,000, up almost 15% in the past week. Then we have BNB at number 3 at $468. This will be $500 soon, guys. As we can see in the last 24 hours, almost up 10%, and in the last week up 15% respectively. And then number 4, we have Solana at around $150, up 14% since yesterday and up 13%, for the past 7 days as well. And then to round off the top 5, we still have XRP, the scam. Guys, he had around 63 cents, up about 3 to 4%. Both weekly and in the last 24 hours. This thing is not doing anything, honestly. Not performing, not keeping up to pace with the other top 4 coins apart from this one, or top 5 coins apart from this one. So, yeah, that's what's going on with that right now. Guys, here we have the top 5 best performing assets in the last 24 hours. Let's start with Jupiter. Here at 77 cents, up 35%. Since yesterday. That's crazy. Number 2, Thor Chain Rune here at $6.52, up over 23%. And then number 3, we have Phantom at 85 cents, on its way to $1, up almost 20% a pop. Number 4, EOS, the OG, still alive, still showing some strength here from the all-time lows, at $1.24, up 19% as well. And then number 5, Fetch AI. AI is taking over the markets. Fetch is at $2.60, up 17% in the last 24 hours, guys. Then on the weekly, the meme coins have taken over the weekly percentages. The top 5 best performing assets in the past week. We start with Floki here at, way under a penny, guys. This is freemium here, as we can see, up 140% in the last 7 days. Wow. Number 2, we have SHIBAINU, also freemium, under a penny, up 133% in the last week. Insane. Then number 3, Pepe. This is even more freemium here. More zeros in front, a higher supply, as we can see. That's just insane here. Up 133% as well. Insane, guys. Then we have number 4, Dog with Hat, at $1.79, up 122% as well. And then number 5, the only non-meme coin, that's best performing here for the past week at almost 80%, Fetch, that we just went over in the previous tab. Now we have the worst performing assets in the last 24 hours. You do have, the meme coins again. They've been up a lot weekly, but in the last 24 hours, we have Bonk at number 1, freemium as well, down almost 10%. Pepe is also down 10%. Shiba Inu as well, that we just covered, on near 8, 9, 10% down since, in the last 24 hours. Then number 4, we have Uniswap at around 15 billies a pop, down 7% in the last 24 hours. And then the 5th meme coin, down about $6.50 off the 2 billy high right here for this coin, guys. So yeah, a lot of things have been going on in the markets, guys. Then the retracements here on the weekly, Flare at around 4 cents, down over 12%. Sui is at $1.52, down 10% on the weekly. Then number 3 is Casper at 16 cents, down 7% as well. Number 4, WorldCoin at $7, down 6%. And number 5, Celestia, $16.46, down 4% in the past 7 days. So briefly, let's just dig into the charts, guys. We see here, just briefly going over Bitcoin once again. We just went over the altcoin market back here. On our next altcoin episode, we'll dig into Ethereum and maybe even a couple of altcoins. So this will just be brief. Just wanted to provide you guys with the percentages back here. But Bitcoin attempting to pierce the previous all-time high again. Just keep in mind, keep on the lookout to see if this is going to break into a new all-time high, or if it will double top in the next couple of days. That's on the daily. On the weekly, Chart's still bullish, guys, still bullish up here in the high 80s on the RSI, so be careful with that. But it's trying to just get over this all-time high. A bullish weekly candle with this wick here, a lot of buy pressure at these levels, so I'm excited to see what happens. And on the monthly, same deal. Wick on the bottom, a little wick here, just trying to pierce through. Monthly is extremely bullish as well, so let's stay tuned in the next couple of days to see how that's going to pan out. Guys, link in the description down below. We have a bunch of resources for you guys on our website here. So make sure you guys take advantage of that. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, as it really does help out. None of this content is official financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. If you still made it this far out into the video, you guys are a straight MVP. Guys, thank you so much for your time, support, and your attention. Stay fresh.